Well, it is time for April 2026 Curated Bead Box. Hey y'all, it's April. Thanks for stopping by my crazy creative life. In today's video, I got in, even though it's March 30th, I got in the April 2026 Curated Bead Box, and we're going to open it and go through it and see what all we have. And hopefully this recording will be fun. I am trying to get some stuff off of my phone and trying to make some more storage, but I don't want to wait on it to get done. So I'm using my tablet. I've never used my tablet before to record a video. So we will see how this goes. And if it's terrible, then I'll just redo it on my phone once I get everything off. I mean, I've got a camera. Sometimes the camera, I don't know, it can just be a pain in the butt. You just have to trust me on that if you aren't used to doing any kind of videos like this. So let's go ahead and get this open. All right, I'm going to go ahead and open it. I get why they're doing this now. They are trying to save money on packaging. I get that. It's probably a little better for the environment too. Just using plastic instead of that big old packaging they had. But for me, it kind of ruins the surprise because I know what it looks like before I even open it. You don't, but I do. But anyway, with that being said, let's go ahead and flip it around and I will show you what we have. Garden party. Looks like it's going to be pretty. Okay, I'm going to get everything rearranged and I'll be right back. Okay, yeah, it looks like it's going to be some pretty colors. So let's go ahead and get on into it. So we have, to start off with, a 12mm pale yellow crackle frosted glass bead. And that must be this one because that is pretty good size. And that is really pretty. Real pretty. We don't get a lot of 12mm. They're pretty. Next, we have 12mm rose quartz gemstone style glass bead on a 6-inch string, and that is this one. Another good size bead. Very pretty, very spring-like. Here in a second, I'm going to have to move my box up. Alright, that's all of the 12mm. Now we have a 10mm turquoise gemstone style glass bead on a 6-inch string. And that should be this one. And I absolutely love this color. I hope my camera is picking up just how pretty that is. That is gorgeous. It's kind of an oceany blue, but it's so pretty. Next, we have a 10mm deep yellow gemstone style glass bead on a 6-inch string, and that would be this guy. That's a pretty color too. It's almost like a mustard yellow. I've got Benji in my room, and he's hearing the girls, and he's a-whining. Okay, that's all of the 10mm. Next is 8mm pastel blue pink duo style glass bead on a 10-inch string, and that is this one, and it is really pretty. That's like just a baby, looks like a baby colors to me. Definitely spring, which I love pastels. That is pretty. pretty it is. Makes you think of cotton candy. Okay, let's go ahead and move this up and move some of our beads around. There we go. Next, we have, that's all the 8mm. We have 6mm pink dusk abstract glass bead on a 10-inch string. That's got to be this one. It is definitely pink. And I guess that is abstract. But they're almost translucent, that bluish color in there. And then it's got that bright pink swirl. It's really pretty when you put it in the light. Next, we have approximately 1 ounce wildflower design glass bead. And I believe that is this. It does look like a bunch of wildflowers. And with these bead mixes, they always send colors that aren't the same color as the primary beads, but they match them. And they're usually all different shapes, sizes, all kinds of stuff. Oh, there's a little butterfly. Look at that. Little crystal butterfly. That's pretty. All right, next we have 6mm gold iron beads, approximately 55 beads. So that would be these. So those will make good spacer beads. They're pretty good size too. Next we have 6mm gold metal bead caps. Those are pretty little bead caps. Then we have 8mm flower gold metal spacer beads. Those are cute. Kind of like a coin bead in a way. Then we have 8mm flower gold metal spacer beads, approximately 12 beads. Wait, I think I just said that. Yeah, there's bead caps, and that's the metal spacer bead. Sorry about that. Next is 2mm gold metal link chain. So they sent us a chain this time. A lot of times they don't. Then we have 22mm flower gold metal pendant, and there are 2 pendants. Those are pretty. And it is not a Curated Bead Box unboxing unless I forget something. I don't know how I do it with them. Every time I seem to skip over one, and I have to go back and figure out what the heck I skipped. I think I see it though. It's a 16 by 8mm color faceted rondelle glass gold links, and there are 6 links. Those are cute. And they're already linked up for you with a little bead cap. Or looks more like a spacer bead, but they're kind of using it as a bead cap in a way. Alright, there's that. Aren't these pretty? And then Curated Bead Box always sends a findings starter kit, and it's got your memory wire, your stretch wire, ear wires. There's crimp tubes, lobster clasp, Jumprings. This is head pins, and this is just some gold beading wire. They always send it that way. You can go ahead and get started. So with Curated Bead Box, they are like any other bead box company. They come up with the theme each month, and then they curate the beads to match that theme, and then they send us the bargain. They get, I guess, good bargains, and then they pass that bargains on to us. This is $20 a month. That includes shipping, taxes, everything. And all you have to do is go and sign up. And of course, it's a subscription. You can cancel at any time. And I will link in the description box below a link to get to them. And it's going through me to get to them. I am affiliated with them. And you can go through that link to get to me. And then if this is your first time ever ordering through Curated Bead Box, you can put in the code April 35, all lowercase, everything, you know, all together, but April 35. Put that in the code, and you will receive 35% off of your very first order. And it brings it down to roughly 17 something for that very first box. But I mean, you can't beat this. You can't go out there and get a bunch of, you know, glass beads and findings and stuff like that and pay $20 and get this amount. You just can't do it. So I love these bead box companies, and Curated Bead Box is one of my top ones. That's why I'm still with them. I've been with them for about 2 years now, maybe even a little bit longer by now. So anyway, that is it. Notice that. Let me check real quick, because I see those little hearts. We got those in like last year. It was a February kit, I think. January or February kit. And they were the little heart beads, but I don't know why they're on here. I don't see it unless I'm overlooking it. I don't see the little heart beads, so I'm not real sure why those are in the picture. But, oh well. We don't have it. I'll make double sure, yeah, it's not in there. So, I'm not real sure why that picture's on there. But everything else is on there. But, oh well, okay. But at least we don't have, I don't mean to complain, but I know the last two boxes we've had those little pillow, and some people may appreciate them, I don't know, but they're like a little box, a little pillow box that you can gift, you know, put your jewelry in and gift it. And some people may have really loved that. Me, I prefer not to have those. I would prefer like the chain or something else versus those little boxes. So I'm glad to see this month we did not have those boxes. No shade to them though. I mean, I really do enjoy them. I like Curated Bead Box. But that is it. So I appreciate y'all hanging out with me. Again, this is March 30th, but I probably won't get this video out until April the 1st. But this is April 2026 Curated Bead Box Garden Party. And there's the box again. But once more, I hope y'all have a blessed rest of your evening, and I appreciate you hanging out with me, and I will talk to you guys in the next one. Bye! Hey, if you like this video, you may want to check out my previous video or my previous series. Talk to you soon.